Hey YouTube, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm going to be doing a video showing you my DVD unboxing of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory 20th Anniversary Special. Yep, I got this at Market Days 2 weeks ago for a price is $10. And on top is the word "To This Deluxe Edition." And on top is the word "A Tim Burton Film." This is wondrous. You've never seen anything like this before, says A.O. Scott, the New York Times. And this stars Johnny Depp as Willy Wonka on there, as you can see. Great film, huh? So anyway, here's the front, and here's the spine, and of course the back. It says, "A feast for the eyes and the imagination," says Leonard Walton Entertainment Tonight. It says proof of purchase. Special features which includes Disc 1, the movie, theatrical trailer, languages and subtitles, English, Francis, dubbed in Quebec, and Espanol, feature film only. And Disc 2, scrumptious special features, includes Becoming Oompa Loompa, how they turn one man into hundreds of Oompa Loompas, Attack of the Squirrels, a look at the trained nut-sorting squirrels, Fantastic Mr. Doll, a look into the life of Roald Dahl, Oompa Loompa Dance, learn to dance like an Oompa Loompa, The Inventing Machine, see what happens to an Oompa Loompa when you create your own candy concoctions, search for the golden ticket, can you find the golden ticket, and much, much more, says DVD-ROM web link to the Candy Maker's online world. And the film was released by Warner Brothers Pictures, Village Roadshow Pictures, Plan B, the Santa Company, and Warner Home Video logos. It says soundtrack album on Warner Sunset Records. It says ChocolateFactoryMovie.com, TimBurton.com, and WarnerVideo.com. Rated PG, parental guidance suggested, quirky situations, action, and mild language. Its color, it's 115 minutes running time. It says bonus material not rated or closed caption. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up right now. I'm busy. Alrighty, we can take off the security tape like this. Oh, come on, open it up. Gene Wilder is better than Johnny Depp or Timothy Chalamet, right? We're almost done. There, perfect. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. And we can open this up. Here's disc 1, and now disc 2. You can see Charlie Bucket, Augustus Gloop, Veruca Salt, Mike Teavee, and Violet Beauregarde. So the first disc is the feature film, and the second disc is the special features. And there's absolutely no inserts on this DVD case. Okay guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye, and have a happy 20th anniversary, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.